Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be checking out VidNot's custom AI avatars. I've previously done a video on VidNot on the AI avatars tutorial, and check it out on the link above. But today's video, we're going to look at the custom avatars. So let's look at their sales page, the website, custom, create your AI avatar with VidNot. So all we have to do, sign up with their account. On the left hand side, you can see the custom avatar. I think currently they're running a 50% discount on the custom avatar, and it's a 4 easy steps. You'll need to upload a video of yourself, or you can record it through your phone. There are some do's and don'ts whenever you're creating a custom AI avatar. You want to be inside a quiet environment, bright and stable lighting. So it's better to have good lighting, because if your face looks dark, then you're not going to produce a good custom avatar. Use a professional camera or a high quality mobile phone. If you're using like your iPhone, probably use the back camera, don't use your front camera. And then put it on a tripod, have the camera or your mobile phone near the same height as your eyes, so it won't be looking like you're looking upwards or looking downwards. Record yourself in a clear background or a single color. If you want, it's probably to have a green screen. That's probably the best way to go. And then just relax, be confident. Record yourself around 1 to 3 minutes of yourself with your face and the script. VidNot has provided a script here, so you can click on this. So just kind of read through this and then kind of memorize it. If you want, you can put this script inside, maybe on your phone. There are plenty of other teleprompters out there so that you can watch your screen. You can see your screen as well as the script, so your eyes won't look very unnatural in this way. If you speak English as your native language, then probably that's easy. But if English is not your native language, I think you can still use other language. Let's see. The key point to the script is with all these brackets. So for example, they want you to pause for 3 seconds before you start talking. And then the next one is to close your lips, pause for 3 seconds. Again, reading again. Look, take back your hands and then look into the camera for 1 second, then start reading, close your lips, take back. So following the guidance from VidNot, pausing for every single time and then creating this again, and we're going to give this a try. All right, I've just recorded myself. I'm not really a good camera person, so I've taken 2 videos and it's not going to be perfect, but you have to try a few times to get it right. So I'm going to upload the video on my computer. Let's click upload. All right, we'll have the videos upload and we'll be right back. And all right, looks like we've got the video uploaded successfully. So what they're telling you is that if your custom avatar is going to be good. Sorry, what I meant is, so we've got the video uploaded successfully. It'll be around 1 to 3 working days. We'll check the progress on the avatar. So we'll have to come back to it and we'll get an email to see how that looks like. Oops, sorry. Now the video has been uploaded. We'll click next. Now we need to shoot another video to provide the consent to VidNot. So you can choose the script. Very simple script, English and other languages. So you just say like, I'm name, then I use VidNot service voluntarily. This video is going to be recorded to create my own custom avatar on this platform. So you probably want the consent to be very clear that this video or to use my avatar, it's only used by myself, no one else besides yourself, not even VidNot, because with all these AI avatars, they can use yourself to create all kinds of different content, and you want to be explicit on what is allowed to be used for your digital avatar. So I will say that in the script as well, just on top of this. So if I've created my own consent video, let me upload it right here. Selected. Alright, consent video has been uploaded. Again, it'll say it'll take up to 1 to 3 working days. So we'll click OK, and then we'll hit next as well. And I'll put this as William, avatar, gender, male, and then I'll hit submit. Again, we'll come back in 1 to 3 days and see how my digital avatar looks like. So you can see right now there's one avatar is in production. Click to view details. Let's see what details we can see right now. So it says it's producing. It'll take 1 to 3 days. So alright, so waiting for almost 1 day, I've got an email saying the custom avatar is ready. What we're going to do is to create a new video. Let's say we will start, let's use a template here. Let's choose this one. I have to say the loading speed is not as quick as the other platforms I've tried. As you can see, creating a new video, it may be because it's creating from a new template. I guess it's because this is creating a template, so it's taking a bit longer. Alright, so we're going to switch the avatars. Here, we'll click on avatar. And then you can see this is my avatar here. The really nice thing about VidNos custom AI avatar is they will use your existing background that you record yourself, and then they will remove all the background stuff as well. So I have 2 versions of myself. So let's say I want to use this one with the clean background. This is how I will look like. And if we change this to square head, it's going to remove all those white background for me. Half body is going to look like this because that's how I recorded myself. So I'm trying to find my clone voice on VidNos right now, because you can see it's showing as English US Christopher, and that's not me. I'm trying to go through all the English voice, but I don't see my voice here at all. So I'm not sure whether my voice would be cloned as part of the package. So I've emailed support and we'll just have to wait and see what's the outcome. So just a quick update. I did get an email from support from VidNos, and they've said that custom voice is not available on this current package or this current subscription. They said the custom voice or clone voice, it's on the roadmap. So if you do sign up with VidNos, bear in mind that you're only going to get the custom AI avatar. You're not going to get your clone voice as well. So you can use other tools to make your own voice. Or another point that people should be aware is that if you don't like your avatar, you have 2 more chances to remake it or refine it. So you get up to 3 chances to optimize your avatar. So that's something to keep in mind. So I've just took my avatar and created a really simple video. I just put in some text title here. I had my avatar here because I don't have my own voice on VidNos right now. So what I've done is uploaded my voice using the SpeechKey software. And then I've also already exported the video. It took around 15 minutes or so. And then I'll play you the video and let me know if you think the lip sync with my voice is matching up together.
A passkey is a form of user authentication that replaces traditional passwords with a more secure and easier to use login method. It typically involves a user proving their identity through a device they own, such as a smartphone, using cryptographic techniques. The difference between a passkey and a password: security.
So that wraps up my review on FitNaut's custom AI avatar. I think it's pretty good to compare with the other platforms. For example, HeyGen, you can do instant avatar, but they're not going to remove the background for you. That's going to be the Studio or Pro version, which costs way higher. And FitNaut's AI right now running at 50% on custom AI avatar. It will be $99 US dollars a year. Currently, it's 50% off. You'll get like the background removal, seamless integration on this platform. The turnaround time is quick. It's only 1 day from me, and then you get all the choices of languages and voices. Again, if you don't like their voice, then you can use other tools like ElevenLabs or SpeechKey. These two are the ones that I have been using on myself, and they're pretty good. One is subscription based, one is a lifetime deal. So check those out as well. If you have any questions around FitNaut's AI, please let me know and I'll answer your comments. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, check out my other videos around text-to-speech and AI creation software. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.